Hi guys, my name is Akhil M and welcome back to Tech Savior. In this video onwards, we are gonna see a couple of basic things about the Python. In this video itself, I'm gonna focus more towards the functions inside the Python. I will be coming up with more content about the Python. So if you want to see more basic things about the Python, consider subscribing towards the channel. So let us start with this video. First, let me declare a function. In order to declare a function inside the Python, we use the thing or we use def in order to declare a Python function. So let us start with the def, then give the function name. I'm gonna name it as test, then leave two parentheses. So inside this parenthesis you should give your parameters. If your function have any parameters, you should give those inside here. At the first, I'm not going to use a function with the parameter, so I'm going to leave the inside the parenthesis empty. Then let us declare a couple of variables. So first, let me say a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5, and also c is equal to a plus b, and also print c. So that concludes my function body. A couple of things that you have to keep in mind while using or getting started with the Python is that Python is completely based on the indentations. If I just enter some more space over here in the def, it is going to return me an error. Also, there are no parentheses for the function body. It is completely intended inside the function. So everything which has some amount of gap from here to here are considered as the body of the function. So you should keep those in the mind. Now let us call the function. In order to call the function, it is simple. Just type the function name with the parenthesis. Now let us save this and try to run it, and it has returned us a value of 7, which is the sum of 2 plus 5, 7. Now let us get into a function which takes parameter. So again, start with the def, the function name add, and this time I'm gonna give the function some parameters. Before those, I need to declare certain variables which I should pass into the application. I'm going to say first start with the variable a itself, then I'm going to take the input from the user. So input, enter an number. Always consider one thing, whenever you are taking an input from the user, use the int in front of those, or else the Python will consider those input as a string. So b is equal to again int with the input, enter second number, and now I need to pass these two variables towards the function. So let me call my function, which is the add, and inside those I'm gonna give these two variables, which is a comma b. Now inside the function parameters, I'm gonna say two variables c comma d. What happening here is that the variable value inside the a will be assigning towards the variable c, and the value inside the variable b will be getting assigned towards the variable d. Now let us write the function body. I'm gonna say f variable is equal to c plus d, and print f. Let us save those and let us try running. So it is asking me to enter my first number. I'm gonna give it as 2. Enter my second number, which is 3, and it has returned me the sum of two numbers, which is 5. And that's conclude some basic things about the function. There are certain other things inside the function, like a return and all. I will be covering those in a future video. Hope you are liking these new series. Please consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. That's it. Thank you.